Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Penguins. Today I need your help to make my games even better and maybe even share them with a friend or two. So I published 2 games to Google Play Store, both made with Unity 6. I'm really proud of how they turned out, but I know there's always room for improvement. That's where you come in. I'd love it if you could download them, try them out, and let me know what you think. Any feedback on the gameplay, design, or even little tweaks would be incredibly helpful. Your insight could directly shape the future updates. Whether it's about the mechanics, the visuals, or even just little things that could feel smoother, your feedback will help me refine the experience. I'll be reading every comment, so don't hold back. And if you think your friends might enjoy the game, go ahead and share it with them too. It means a lot. Thanks so much for helping me make this game better. Link to both games are in the description, so check them out. Share them, let me know what you think. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and happy developing.